Subscribe for some awesome videos. Hey everybody, in today's video I'll be recreating celebrities' photos with my nose. So, just a little disclaimer type thing. I don't really follow celebrities and stuff. This is more of like just a fun photography challenge to challenge my photography skills. And yeah. Anyways, let's get to it. So the photos I picked because I like them photography wise and I think they're cool. Yeah. Let's just get to it. So the first celebrity I picked is this Dunkin' Donuts sponsored photo of Charlie. So first, I'm using Luciana for this one. So I'm just gonna brush her hair out so there's no flyaways and it looks pretty neat. You know, yeah. Oh, by the way, this part of the video is sped up. It's not obvious, but the next is her outfit. So I took off her necklace. I'm going to be using her meat outfit shoes, some My Life as jeans, tights jeans thingy, and a hoodie or sweater, pink sweater. So I didn't really have a jacket, so I'm just going to be using the hoodie. It doesn't really look pink in camera. It looks more like a peach, but if in real life it is pink. Okay, so I'm in a bedroom with lots of light and I put my pink tablecloth to be the background. So I'm just hooking it up onto the bed, like the, what's called headboard of the bed. Okay, the background's all set. Now to do like her hair and like adjust it. So at first I was gonna use like a nail polish bottle and this little like case thingy that I had, a white case thingy for her phone. And of course I used rubber bands on elastic. I didn't have clear ones, but I was using like transparent ones. No, translucent, such translucent ones. I was trying to get it onto her hand. The other thing I was going to use was for the Dunkin' Donuts cup was a nail polish bottle, which is probably a little too heavy for it to hold. So then I ended up using none of it and just editing the photos in. So now I'm going to go take the photos. The next photo is Billie Eilish, and I will be using Cassidy for this photo. So this doesn't really require much setup. all I have to do is put her on the wall, shine green light, or like change my room colors to green because my room has color changing lights. However, the color changing lights glitching, like when I entered the room, my lights started flashing and it wasn't working. So then I had to take an iPad and search up the color green, turn my brightness all the way up, and then like shine the green light on her face. And it made filming a little bit harder. But luckily I had a stand, which made it so much easier to see how like I'm using the light like that. See like the green light, that's like what I'm gonna do. A little hacky, it's like a little photo hack you can try. And now I'm gonna go take the photos of her. Final picture is of Olivia Rodrigo. This picture is from a scene in Driver's License with her new-ish music videos. Yeah, I didn't have any video clips of me doing, like, setting it up. So basically, I just took Luciana, put her on the wall, positioned her, and then shined, with the iPad, red light on her. Yeah, that's pretty much all I did. And then took photos of her. So now I'm editing my photos. So I'm doing the Charlie D'Amelio one first. So I tried like cutting Charlie D'Amelio and replacing with Luciana. That didn't work out. So now I'm cutting Luciana out of like the pink background and putting her onto Charlie D'Amelio's background. Yeah. The software website thingy that I'm using is called Pixar. It's pretty much like Photoshop. It's free. Yeah, if you're new to editing or like be a free editor type thing, Pixar, definitely recommend it. It's a really good editor, especially if you do like fine details. Like it's really good. Next is the Billie Eilish photo, so I didn't get like the whole entire clip of me editing it. It only stopped, so I edited the hair, and then after that I edited the hand, and however it didn't have like the whole clip of me editing everything, so I apologize for that. So right now what I'm doing, I'm just recoloring her hair. The Billie Eilish photo is probably one of the harder ones to take because of like the lighting and all. So the recoloring wasn't working. It kept making the thing look red for some reason. Yeah. So then what I ended up having to do is cut out Billie Eilish's hair from the Billie Eilish picture that I had and putting it on Cassidy. And then I like did some like change the lighting and all that. I had to make it darker, and then I added a hand because you can't, like with American Girl dolls, because of the way their articulation works, you can't really make their hair go like that, so I had to take some random dolls. I don't know, I found a random hand of a doll on the internet, cut it out, recolored it, or like made it lighter so it fit Cassidy's skin color, and yeah. And now the Olivia Rodrigo one. So what I did was I cut out Luciana from the picture, and then I found actually no, what I did was I took the Olivia Rodrigo photo and then cut it so only you said like only the background was there, like only, so I like kind of like screenshotted it so only the walls there and you can't see Olivia. And then instead I used that as my background. And yeah, see, so from the original photo I took the right side and then screenshotted it, and yeah. And then I made Luciana's face a bit more red so it fit the scene, and then darkened it too so it fit better. And then finally I took like the coloring tool. I made it like opaque like lower and softness like lower, and then colored in, I added color in like the words on her face and the projector. Yeah, so I didn't have a projector, which is why this made it like so much harder. This is probably the hardest photo to make and edit, and like the photo that I took, it wasn't even like good, it wasn't clear at all. Yeah, alright. Now for the final image of all of these photos. So final project time. So this is the Charli D'Amelio one. Definitely my favorite. It was the easiest to take, easiest to edit. My favorite. I like this one. Next, Olivia Rodrigo. I don't know if I can say it's my favorite. It was very hard to edit, that's for sure. Hard to take, but I'm kind of proud of it, to be honest. And finally, the Billie Eilish one. It's okay, I'm still proud of it, but meh, I think I like the Olivia Rodrigo one better. So if I were to rank all the photos I took, I'll save Charli D'Amelio first, Olivia Rodrigo second, and finally Billie Eilish. That's just how I like them. Anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, bye!